This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Terry Osborne. This is a beautiful pool home in Radcliffe Estates subdivision for a nice open floor plan, light and bright living, dining, family rooms and eat-in kitchen. Kitchen remodeled in 2015 with quartz counters, new cabinets, and new porcelain tile flooring. It has a snack bar, pantry and newer kitchen appliances. This home has a smart thermostat and smart locks. Master bedroom has walk-in closet and private bathroom with shower. Entire home is tiled except bedrooms. This inviting heated pool has an outdoor shower. Newer roof and air conditioner, pool heater and timer. Deep well with 2-stage well pump supplies water to sprinkler system and pool, saving you money. Make an appointment today. For more information